Filip, jedziemy na automatycznym pilocie. Powiesz.
It's good that we are just next to an airport here, because when people say, automatic, what about this? I said, did you come here with a plane? Yes. So you came with an autopilot. And here you can see this place is not the place where we want to engage the highway pilot. It's a small country road, with narrow curves and narrow lanes. But as you can see, even here, the truck is always in his lane. It never touches the white line.
Yeah.
It's working perfectly. Back again.
Yeah.
And now I'll take the wheel again.